children. Now I am here for social studies. In our last video, we did chapter 10 communication. Now chapter 11 growing knowledge. Today I will explain you chapter 11 growing knowledge. Early humans learnt many things through observation and experience. They were always eager to pass on their knowledge to others. In the beginning, this was done orally. When knowledge expanded, they felt the need to record this knowledge. They found out a way to do this. This led to the origin of writing. Now the story of writing. When the knowledge was limited, it was easy for early humans to memorize it. But the expansion of knowledge led to drawing and writing. Nobody knows exactly when man began to write for the first time. We know that writing is a form of communication. Initially, early humans might have used drawings, signs, and pictures to convey the messages to others. These things might have led to the discovery of symbols. Later, symbols resulted in the development of script. The earliest form of writing was developed by Sumerians in Mesopotamia. The earliest form of writing was developed by Sumerians in Mesopotamia. At about the same time, the Egyptians developed a system of writing known as hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphic literally means sacred carving. Such writings have been discovered from the temples and the tombs of Egypt. Egyptians used pictures of animals, human beings, planets, and parts of the body as signs to express ideas. Pictorial symbols were also used in the scripts of Chinese, Korean, and Japanese languages. In India, the olden script was used by the people of the Indus Valley civilization. Their script was discovered from the seals which they used in those days. It was followed by Brahmi script. Most of the Indian languages have been derived from the Brahmi script. Now the story of numbers. Early humans might have used pebbles and sticks for counting before they invented numbers. Later, they used their fingers for counting, which is popular even today. The concept of decimal system has originated from finger counting. With the progress of civilization, early humans felt the need to record the numbers. The present-day number system is known as Arabic numeral system. What is present-day number system known as Arabic numeral system? It was introduced by the Arabs, but it was developed in India. Therefore, this number system is also known as Indo-Arabic system. The concept of the zero was discovered in India. The Arabs took this system of numbers from 0 to 9 to Asia and Europe, but it was discovered in India. Now the story of paper, how paper was invented. Ancient people used crude tools and materials to write. They wrote on leaves and barks of the trees. They also used animal skin to write, but later metal sheets were used for this purpose. For writing, Egyptians started making flat sheets from the stem of a plant called papyrus. The word paper is derived from the Latin word papyrus. However, at first, it were the Chinese who made paper in 100 BC, in about 100 BC. They used jute, hemp, straw and bamboo to make paper. But today paper is made in paper mills using wood pulp. Now the art of printing. Till 15th century, books were written by hand. It was a very slow and laborious process. The people engaged in copying books were known as scribes. Who were scribes? The people engaged in copying books were called scribes. As a result, books were rare and costly. Chinese people developed the art of printing, but it did not become popular. The credit for inventing the first printing press goes to Johannes Gutenberg. Who is the inventor of printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. He achieved this in 1443. The Bible was the first printed book. Bible was the first printed book. He made several small metal molds of the letters. These were then arranged to form words. However, today we have more advanced tools and materials for printing. The printing press brought a great revolution in the field of knowledge. Now, books have become economical. We can get books in very low prices. Thus, ideas and knowledge spread economically and faster than ever before. Now the Braille script. You must have heard about Louis Braille. A Frenchman named Louis Braille developed a special script for the blind. In his honor, it was named the Braille script. He himself was a blind man. This system of script is based on raised dots. A blind person can read the words by moving fingers along these dots. This script was a blessing for millions of blind persons, people. Now literacy. What do you mean by literacy? The ability to read and write is known as literacy. Literacy is the key to knowledge. A country can progress only if its people are educated or literate. Unfortunately, in India, there are a lot of people who are still illiterate. Means they cannot read and write. Illiteracy leads to poverty and backwardness. So, what is literacy, children? Sorry. Literacy is the ability to read and write, and it is the key to success. In India, still many people are illiterate. Illiteracy leads to poverty and backwardness. Now, points to remember. Early humans expressed themselves by making drawings, signs and symbols. Stop. Now, children, some points to remember. Early humans expressed themselves by making drawings, signs and symbols. Sumerians developed the earliest form of writing in Mesopotamia. The present number system is known as the Indo-Arabic system. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press. Braille script helps the blind to read and write. And who invented it? Who discovered Braille script? Louis Braille. And he himself was a blind person. Literacy leads to progress. And illiteracy leads to poverty and backwardness. Now fill in the blanks. Let's do exercises. Fill in the blanks. When the knowledge was limited, it was easy for early humans to memorize it. I'm writing the answers on the board, children. When the knowledge was limited, it was easy for humans to memorize it. Fill-ups. Memorize. Then, the earliest form of writing was developed by Sumerians in Mesopotamia. Indian paper mills using wood pulp. Now books have become economical, cheap. Economical means they are in reach of everybody. Anyone can buy. Okay. Now name the following. I'm having fill in the blanks. I will write the answers of name the following on the board. These answers are clear, children? Name the following. It means sacred carving. Hieroglyphics. 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 Then, the plant from which the word paper originates. Papyrus. Papyrus. That is papyrus. Materials used to make paper in the earlier days. Bamboo, jute, hemp, it is also a plant. Straw. Then the inventor of printing press. Johannes Gutenberg. The inventor of Braille script. Louis Braille. Louis Braille. Louisbraille. A script for the blind. Braille script. Braille. Braille script. Note down these answers. Then choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Literally, hieroglyphic means sacred book, sacred carving, or sacred animals. Hieroglyphic means sacred carving. The correct answer is sacred carving. Then the oldest script used in India was Brahmi script. The correct answer is Brahmi script. For counting, the early humans used calculator, pebbles or rocks. Pebbles. The correct answer is pebbles. The concept of zero was discovered in India, Nepal or Egypt. It was discovered in India. The first book printed by Gutenberg was the Quran, the Gita or the Bible? The Bible. The correct answer is the Bible. Now children, answers of all these exercises are clear to you. Now let's discuss activity. Activity. Find out the literacy rate of India and your state. In this first activity, you have to find out the literacy rate of India as well as of your state. So, you have to find out and write here, write in the space provided. Then, B. Find out the Indian state with the highest literacy rate. You have to find out the Indian state with the highest literacy rate. Means maximum are literate, maximum people are educated. You have to write the name of such state. So you have to do this activity yourself Now let's discuss question answers. How did early humans learn things? Early humans learnt many things through observation and experience. Who developed the earliest form of writing? The earliest form of writing was developed by Sumerians in Mesopotamia. Write about hieroglyphic writing. Hieroglyphic writing literally means sacred carving. Such writings have been discovered from the temples and tombs of Egypt. Egyptians used pictures of animals, human beings, planets, and parts of the body as signs to express ideas. Now, what do you know about the origin of the word paper? The word paper is derived from the Latin word papyrus. However, at first it was the Chinese who made paper in about 100 BC. They used jute, hemp, straw and bamboo to make paper. But today paper is made in paper mills using wood pulp. Why were books rare and costly till 15th century? Till 15th century, books were written by hand. It was a very slow and a laborious process. So it was very, the people engaged, as a result, books were rare and costly. What is the answer, children? Till 15th century, books were written by hand. It was a very slow and laborious process. As a result, books were rare and costly. The printing press revolutionized the field of knowledge. How? The printing press brought a great revolution in the field of knowledge. Now books have become economical. Thus ideas and knowledge spread economically and faster than ever before. Define scribes and literacy. Now scribes. Scribes. The people engaged in copying books were called scribes. The people engaged in copying books were called scribes. And now literacy. The ability to read and write is known as literacy. Now our last question is, why is literacy important? Literacy is the key to knowledge. A country can progress only if its people are literate. So, literacy is important because it helps in the progress of the country. So children, I am sending PDF with every chapter. You can copy down the questions from there, and if you are not getting the PDF, you can message me through eCare Pro. Okay, with this chapter also I am sending PDF. So that's all for today. What is your homework? Homework I am writing on the board. Now children, what is your homework? Your homework I am writing on the board. Copy down. Social Studies. Chapter 11. First, read the chapter. Do book exercises. Do activity. Then copy down the question answers from the PDF. In your copy neatly. And then after copying, you have to learn also. learn book exercises and question answers. Now only one chapter is left for our first term, that is chapter 12. So in next video I will be able to complete first term syllabus. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you all are doing your homework regularly, and in every video I am telling you to complete your work. Do your homework regularly. So children, please do your homework regularly and now start learning also.